So as you can see, I was able to connect my PlayStation 5 here to my PC for streaming, and it works perfect as you can see. So watch until the end, I will show you exactly how to set everything up. The first thing you need to do is to go into Google, search for OBS, and then you can see the link here for OBS Studio. Click on it. You will need to get this specific software right here. You can get it if you have Windows, Mac or Linux, it doesn't matter. Just click on the one that is correct for you, because without it, it will not work, just so you know. Once you have gotten OBS Studio, there is one more thing you need to get, and that's one of those video capture device here, as you can see. So this one, I'm just gonna show you. This works like this, because most laptop, if not all laptop and PC, they're actually output only. So you can only actually show what's on your screen to another device, so for example TV or whatever. But if you want to be able to show something on your laptop instead, so an input, you will then need to use this video capture device here. So I'm just gonna insert it right here, the HDMI cable, and then this end goes to my PC, and the other end of course also needs to go to your PlayStation 5, the other end of the HDMI cable. Now when you have done all of this, then we will need to open up OBS Studio. So open up the OBS Studio, which you should have gotten by now hopefully, and then click on the plus symbol in the bottom left corner, click on video capture device here and click on OK. Then click on device and click on your game capture card here. Scroll down, click on audio output mode, output desktop audio, click on OK. You can also click on start streaming right away here, by the way, which is pretty cool, but I'm just gonna right click, click on open source projector and display. And you can see now works pretty awesome here without, I haven't experienced any lag whatsoever. I've used this for many days. Works perfect for me, as you can see, guys. And by the way, if you want to be able to get this specific video capture card here, I was able to find a cheap one that works really well as you can see. And yes, I have left a link for it down below in my description, and it is an affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, just so you know. But basically that is exactly how to do this.